All right, are we live? Can you guys hear me? How's it going? We got 8 people. What's up, Ibrahim? He says XCN. Wait for a few more people to get up in here. Let's see what we got going on. I mean, stock market and everything's going down, so what can you do? What's up, Jim? How you doing? I think everyone's tired of the red. This is getting ridiculous. The breaking headline news was recession and tariffs, so I guess that's why we're bearish. What's up, Dave? How you doing, my man? I guess we're starting off with XCN. I mean, I don't think there's anything going up. Everything's going down. It looks horrible. XCN to 0. Let's see if I can get it on the chart. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing changed on XCN. It's still coming down also. It's now down below the 0.5, but this is what we pointed out on the live stream and on the update. 382 is coming into play. Last chance to be bullish is 009 on XCN. So until XCN breaks this channel to the upside and gets back over 1.8 up to 2.2, then there's no upside right now. And if you come down here and you do not hold, a 15% drop at 009, the party's over. No longer bullish. No longer bullish. Invax took out dozens of long call options. Probably about to squeeze. He says we're all gonna go broke. The world is ending. Yeah, so man, I mean the bottom's gotta be almost in, especially crashing like we are now. Thinking about shorting AGLD, but it looks like it might reverse short term. Can you check it out? Yeah, we can. AGLD. I mean, every time we look for a reversal, it just goes the other way. I just give up. My XCN bag is going to 0. Still holding on to my res position. It's not really moving, but I'm down so much on it. I don't know if I should just cut my loss and save half my money, or I should have never bought it. Venture Gold, AGLD. I mean, this is either trying to form some sort of a double bottom with a higher low and a bounce here, or what we'll do is draw 2 different fibs. But this is what I'm talking about. The bottom's got to be close to being in. But you're making a higher low at the moment, so that's not telling us anything. So what we're going to do is go short term. Daily candles. See what this tells us. I mean, it's already down 30% on the week. Yeah, see, here we go. Right on the 786 support, so you should get a bounce here. Should get a bounce off of the higher low and that final support level. So I mean that's not bearish at all. When you zoom in like this, final support, higher low. So as long as you stay above 99, stay above $1, you could very well get a bounce here and get stuck at the 618 at about 110 for about a 9 to 10% move. All right, hold on. I got to answer my phone. Let's see how many people we got in the house. Oh, we got 39 people. We got 27 on X. How's everyone doing over on Twitter? 12 on YouTube. You've shorted it so many times already. Yeah. I'm just afraid to long or short anything right now. It's just too volatile. But I mean, it's not a bad idea to put in a long right now on this thing. It's on support and higher low, so not financial advice. Same thing with Bitcoin. I mean, well, Bitcoin just made a lower low, so never mind. But you got to think that should be the bottom, unless we're going to 70K. All right. What's up, Hoover? He says Swift. Swift coin. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the state of the market right now, Swift coin's going all the way down. Is there anything actually bouncing or moving up? Yeah, Swift coin's still coming down. Once we broke that 3-2 and then the double fib here, it's coming down a lot faster than we thought. We were hoping for something like this, but I guess the faster we come down, the faster we can go up. But Swift coin broke the 618, so she's coming down. We'll see if support bounce off of the 008 level and is going to hold. So you're looking at another 18% drop on this thing, on Swift coin here, and then eventually all the way back down to the trend, depending on if it's going to be in one or all these candles just spawning in red and coming all the way down here to the macro 786 at 0048, or something like this where we kind of hold and we just go sideways for a little bit. But yeah, you're just breaking through every support level, next one up. Unless for some reason the market reverses and all these candles turn into wicks. But you can clearly see weekly candles are below, got stuck, and now it's just coming down. So Swift coin wouldn't be in a bad position for a nice little short here. Short it down 17-18%. Most likely going to 72 to 73. That's where you load up. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. If we come down to that area, 70, 71, 72, that's probably going to be the bottom. Ondo. But yeah, there's nothing bullish on Swift coin right now. It's coming down. Is Ondo coming down? I should have just bought Ondo and just left it at that. Oh man, she came down to where I thought she was coming. 382, 75 cents. Last time we looked at it, we said that would not be a bad spot to buy in at all. Damn, it sucks I'm stuck in two positions and I can't do anything about it unless I sell for a loss and buy something else. But yeah, she came down and she didn't quite hit it yet, so there's still room to come down on Ondo, but you're coming down, you're right at that macro 3-2. So you could still drop about 7% here, and depends on if we're just going to come down here and do nothing and hold or bounce. And then of course low to the high, you just broke the 618 at 87. But I mean, if you take into account the 3-2 and the trend, this should be the bottom area at 75 for Ondo. What's up, Jesus? Fun times, yeah. Tara. JY's Adventures wants Tara. Yeah, we've looked at this one before. Tara. What is this thing doing? I mean, it's just going completely sideways here. Where do we have our fibs drawn? That's what I would like to know. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can clearly see this is going sideways. It's not really respecting the fibs to a degree. It did hold the 3 too. You're making a lower high. I mean, it's either or. You could argue that this is bullish here, starting to form some sort of a consolidation pattern. After this, it'll move up. But we've seen these break down before, so I would just keep it real simple on Tara. It is consolidating right now, but if you break below 5.8, you're bearish. If you break above 618 at 1 penny, you're bullish. And I would just keep it that simple right now. The state of the market could go either way. But this one, if it's bullish and you get over the 618, 1272 comes into play, 19 to 20 cents for about a 24x from where you are right now. I mean, it doesn't look horrible. It's not breaking down like some of the coins. So you have that plus. Jasmy. Yeah, I think Jasmy's breaking down too, so I don't know what Metal's doing with his investment, but we've been hoping for the bottom on Jasmy. Damn. Wow, she did break down. Holy. Man, I cannot believe all the weekly red candles on some of these coins. So Jasmy's trying to hold the 0.5, but it's bearish, lower low. So like I keep saying, if this is not the bottom on everything, we're either not going up ever, or we're not going up for a long time. So if you break 12.9, another 30% drop to 0.09 on Jasmy. Damn, that's unfortunate. You gotta hold 12 and get back over 1.8, 2 pennies. But that is just bearish. You're holding until 2030. Screw it. Yeah. Well, we just can't win with crypto. It's just... What's up, CD? You got to apply at McDonald's. Yeah. I feel the same way. The channel's dying this month. Revenue's way down. But it's understandable. So I'm going to have to rethink what I'm doing here. What's up, T? Have we covered XCN? Yeah, we looked at XCN. It's the same as everything else. Fallon Network. But I'm still holding my XCN bag to 0, so you're breaking below the 0.5 at 1.1, macro 0.5, and you're still coming down until you get over the trend here. Until you break out of this either to the upside, it looks like it's about to break to the downside. And 0.09, now that we're coming down inside of our box, this is our must-hold level to be bullish. So as of right now, it does appear that you're coming down another 17%, 382 final support, low to the high. Just stay bullish. Any lower than that, then it's done. At least for a good while. Fallon Network. I think we looked at that one before. Fallon Network. Yeah, see, this one's all the way back down almost to the bottom. But we saw Arrow and Velodrome do the same thing, and they broke down. So it's either the bottom or it's not. It's down here. So we'll just keep it simple. Let's see if it's hitting and holding final support level. No, it's down below all your supports. So the only thing holding you up right now is the trend. So it's either the bottom or this thing's going to drop back down to these lows and drop 25% and hit this area once again. Unless you can get back over 12 and then 14 on Fallon Network. But I mean, just looking at the chart, even though we know this is crypto and things break down easily, you would just look at this and say, hey, the bottom's in, time to buy in. to the moon. 1272 to $3 would be 29x. Let's see. Oh, we got 60 people in here, 40 people over on X. It's amazing. What's up, Crypto Holmes? What's up, Corey? He says change the music. I wasn't even paying attention to it. There we go. Yeah, where did he buy in at? I mean, if it holds that 382 on XCN, then bottom is in. He was up almost 20K end of 2024, and I round tripped. That's the worst when you round trip it like that. You just don't take profit and you just keep holding. Hold till the next bear market. What's the next support from Moonwell? Moonwell. I think Moonwell broke down too. I don't remember what chart we were looking at. Moonwell, let's see. She's on it right now. You already broke through with that large red candle. You broke the trend already. So it is bearish right now. Bearish in that sense, but you're also still making higher lows, and you're on the low to the high final support area. So it needs to stay above 167. It's at 162 at the moment. And the 382 at 18.18. But it's clearly broken down from the trend. So that could tell us it's about to break structure here. So if it holds here and bounces, you'll come back up 50, 54, 55% to 2.5 and get stuck at the trend and then just fall off the table. So it is below right now. Let's see. Let's go down to the smaller. Yeah, if this daily candle closes below it, then you're bearish. And then the support under that is all the way back to the 236. So another coin that can fall almost 50% from where it is if we do not reverse now. But everything's breaking down, lower lows, breaking trends. There's just nothing to say on them. Yeah, that would be your next support on Moonwell. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I've heard. They made him stake 2 million coins. Next support for RSR, says Dave. Let's see. It's funny how we're looking at support levels now because everything's dropping. She's coming down to the 236. Another coin making a higher low. I mean, it's still overall macro bullish, but let's see. Oh yeah, you're sitting right on the 618 right now as we speak. If that is your low to the high, 618, this is where you should bounce back up, but if it doesn't, you could still wick down 9-10% to the 236 here, but it's already got a little wick forming. But any lower than that, the next support would be the 786 final. 40% drop to 003 pretty much. But it's on support right now. If it breaks this, then you run the risk of this thing breaking down, breaking the structure here, making a lower low, and then it's just dead until further in the future. But yeah, RSR is a good example. It needs to move back up right now. or it runs the risk of flipping bearish here. Macro bearish, which is not good. But if it's the bottom, an easy 10x to the 786 at 4. And then RSR, if you think it can hit around 40 cents, that's a massive move at 80x almost. Or it is an 80x. Let's see, GFI, the road ahead says GFI. Yeah, what is GFI doing? Yeah. I don't think there's anything safe. Everything's taking a hit, a pretty good hit too. But we've been going over this on every live stream, that everything, if we don't bounce now, we're going to drop 40, 50%. And now we're in that right now. We're in the drop zone. Everything is actually going to drop 30 to 60%. It's unbelievable. This one's coming down. I mean, damn. Oh, man. Kind of want to get out of res and go short some of these coins now. Because there's nothing catching GFI here from I mean, you have the volume area here, but this thing looks like it's dropping 17% down to the final support. 17% plus to 55. Would not be a bad idea to short this thing here. I mean, it's already fallen, but it's got room to go down more. Until you get back over 93 to 94, back over the trend, which if we get some sort of a bounce, a lot of coins that died like this, they're going to bounce right back up and be bearish once again. Because they all have all that overhead resistance now. Damn, I don't even know if I can short this thing, but let me zoom in on it. Oh yeah, the daily 3-day, yeah, you already back tested and now you're just falling. This game is nuts. Let's see. Is P&G bullish long term? I don't think so. A lot of those coins that ran in October. What's up, Rachel? Can we do Edge and V? But a lot of those coins like P&G and Arc Block, I covered Arc Block today. P&G real quick. The fact that they're dying the way they're dying now, that may have been their bull run. They may have a spike up at some point, but there's no guarantee at this point. This looks horrible. You're coming down to your final. I'll just zoom it out. Well, but you're coming down to that final support level, the 382. That's your line to stay bullish on P&G. Macro wise, and then low to the high. Yeah, you already broke the low to the high 382, so short term not bullish, and then you're fixing to be long term not bullish. Oh, my eyes. I busted my eye last night, got a cut above my eye, and it's bothering me. Just everything's bearish. And it's swollen, so yay. But yeah, there's nothing bullish on P&G. If it doesn't bounce at 1-1, then it was a good try. Like I keep saying on some of these coins like this that ran since October here, depends on how far we come down. If it comes all the way down here, then it may spike up one more time and maybe hit a 786 $1, and then that's it. So if you're holding this coin for 2025, waiting for this thing to go to the moon, to those higher targets we've been watching, you know, it may come all the way down here, and then, I mean, you still got a decent return. You could do anywhere from a 10x up to about a 28x. I think you said V. Oh yeah, Block V. Block V, is that the right one? Yeah, block V. But I mean, block V's still up here, but this is what we've been watching on so many coins. The move up the top and then it just slowly dies. So you're sitting on support to stay bullish at 2.7. But you can clearly see this thing can come all the way down 786, 382, and then still be bullish. So that's your only hope on this one. If you fall below 2.7, 1.5 up to 1.7 is your support level here. And if you break that, no longer bullish. But right now, technically it is. Damn, what did I do? But yeah, I mean, if it holds here, let's see. The next stop up, of course, is the 1272. So if you hold bullish here, not a bad move, 260% move, almost to 10. And what was the other one you said? Swift coin, yeah, we did Swift. Swift is dying. It's coming all the way back down to the trend. Edge. All right, I'm trying to catch up here. Like I said, my face hurts. It even hurts to talk. It's making my eye, which is already swollen, move around too much. Edge. Well, I mean, it's still holding up. Let's see what this thing's doing. You're still making higher lows, so that's a positive. This one maybe, I mean, if this one holds up, it could be very bullish because you're making this, not that. But yeah, I'm trying to get through these coins and get back to the chat, but we'll get there. But yeah, we saw this. I think we went over this last time. Arrow in the early days, Caspa in the early days when it first launched and came out and did a move just like this. They both formed this same exact pattern, and we were watching them saying they were about to go, and they actually went. So this one could be very bullish here. So it depends on how bullish it's going to be. I mean, if it holds here with a higher low, next stop up is a 130% move to 2. Then maybe you get a spike up out of 4.5x to $4. I think we said that last time. Once you break over about 145. And then I don't know if we drew low to the high. I guess we did. Really can't do anything else with it. You can clearly see low to the high. As long as you're over 71, you're bullish, but you're holding up right now. I mean, we can go to the smaller time frames. Yeah, we'll just do that real quick. And we'll just go from the first touch here to the high. Oh no, you're down below the 382. You just tagged the 0.5, so it looks like you have to stay above 91. If you stay above 91, even down to 81. But if you stay above 91, you made a slightly higher low, I think. Yeah, just barely. So you got to stay above 91 to stay bullish, I think, on this one. But it doesn't look bad. If I had the ability, I'd probably put it along right here. Not financial advice, but doesn't look bad. Swift Coin and Arkham. But yeah, Swift Coin's coming down pretty hard. Especially if you get to the weekly candles. It's just death candles every week. And if it keeps coming down this fast, it already broke the 382. You broke below the 618 with a weekly close. You back tested already. You're coming down. I think we said this just earlier. Final support, 19% drop to about 89 or 9009. But the fact that it's dropping so fast, it may be heading right for the trend over the next coming month. 55% drop all the way back to the 786 macro at 0048. But yeah, you got to get back over 1.2 here to have any kind of hope. But like I said, it already had a weekly close, so that is bearish. So it's either going to drop fast, or we're going to come down here and hold, bounce around, and then tag the trend and go sideways for the next 5 to 6 months. Arkham Intelligence. Oh, now I wonder what XPR is doing, because XPR was holding up good. Now that we're crashing, I don't know. Oh, this one just broke the low. Yeah, I remember we just looked at this and needed to hold here. Where's our... So, I mean, this should be the bottom for this because you can clearly see the resistance here, turn support, and we're back down to that volume area. This should be the bottom on Arkham. It wouldn't be a bad idea to long Arkham from here. 44 should be the bottom. Bottom in over 74, 75, bullish over 1. But I mean, it just looks like the bottom. Any lower than this, and it's just going to come all the way down to about 30 cents, which you could very well do. I'm going to zoom in here in a moment. Yeah, so you could drop 30%, but that should be the bottom. All right, and making sure there's not a bear flag on some of these charts. So it's either the bottom or it's not. That's all you can say on Arkham. But if it is the bottom, $7, 1272 for a 15x possible. All right, I got to get caught back up. I'm way behind. Too late to short and too early to long. So what's up, Eldor? He says stick a fork in crypto. It's done. And like a liquidation missile. Yeah, we should have just shorted everything a month ago, and we'd all be rich already. What's up, XCN, bro? He says Shadow Realm. What's up, DZ? What's up, Honey Badger? He's late, but he made it. Can we do degen, bonk, and move? Come on now. Degen, let's see. It's crazy how all these charts look the same. Yeah, we pointed this out on degen for a long time. Bear flag forming, just as you had the bull flag, you pump, bear flag, we're bearish. And it's yet another coin. We drew our green support box for this volume area here. I guess I'll pull it down just a little bit to that last wick. But we're here. You can see we're touching it right now, but any lower than this box, then of course it's coming down to 002 here, but I mean, it could go even lower. It's almost about to break this low here, so you really want to hold on to that. You really don't want to break this low here, because then you're macro bearish. So it needs to be the bottom right now on XCN or degen here. 22% drop is lingering, and then if it breaks that, it's just going to break down. You know, imagine if we go all the way down there. Yeah, you put it on non-log scale. I mean, it's all the way back to where it spawned in. Should be the bottom on degen. Same thing with Bonk and Turbo. They both had their bull runs, I guess, and it's over. Pack it up, stick a fork in it, as he says. It's we're done. Yeah, the moment Bonk broke this channel here, that was it. And you know what it looks like? It looks like Wyckoff. We had the price going sideways. You had that final pump for a higher high, and you got that little spring move, and then it was over. She was done at that point. But if you're looking for some sort of support, you can clearly see we are down below the 2272 area. We held it for a moment. Well, we didn't really hold it. We just broke through it. But we held the 214 or the 2414, which we had been holding. But it's just breaking down. There's nothing bullish on it. Next support on Bonk is all the way down here at, what is that, 506. Yeah, I mean, you say it's too late to short, but the fact that this weekly candle's stuck and there's room to go down. Not only that, I guess you'd come fill these fair value gaps. But yeah, Bonk looks like it's going to drop. Oh no, he says XPR broke support. hope you're making some money. No, I'm still holding res DC. I still got my position. I'm down. Half my money's gone already, so I don't know if I should just cut my loss because it's probably going to go down more. I'm waiting for just the tiniest of the bounces to get some of my money back. Ah, man. If I lose all that money on res, then I'm done. It's over. Wait, would you say move? I'm really thinking about just cutting my loss and taking what I have left out. Because I feel bad now because the money's gone, half of it's gone. But I'm going to feel horrible if all of it's gone and I'm back out of the market. What are we looking at? Move? Yeah, move, high to the low. It's doing nothing. I have to get over 50 to confirm a bottom, bullish over 61. But at least this one's not dying. Doesn't look too bad here. It says the 3-day candles, the daily. Yeah, the fact that this coin's just not completely dying like the rest of the market's a good sign. It hasn't really moved. So this is the chart we like to see. You're above the 3-2 short term at 47, so you're technically short term bullish here. The move, let's zoom back out. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. Like I said, these are the kind of charts we like. Buy in before something runs. And like I said, the fact that it's not dying with the rest of the market, I don't know why we have a thing all the way up there. But for this thing, I know it's probably not a big move, but first order of business would be the new high 1272, a 4x up to $2. Be your first target to watch. As for going higher than that, the fact that you're new, or it's new, is at 50 cents. If you can get to $5, would be almost a 10x, or it would be a 10.5x. He says, "Did you ever buy a laptop?" No, because I put my money on rest and it's gone. What are we at? Damn. Yeah, see, res is just getting it's got stuck. I was hoping for it to push through here and go. I mean, it doesn't look horrible. Looks like the coin we just looked at. Excuse me. My problem is, though, if I sell right now, it'll go. And then I'll miss out on all those returns and at least miss out getting my money back. Damn. Short term, I mean, it doesn't look horrible. We're still making higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, and low to the high, short term on the daily candles, we're holding a 3 too. So she's still bullish over 23. I guess if I see a breakdown below 23, which will suck more money away, but man, she's still technically alive here. Your latest pickup was Pendle. By Cookie Dow. Oh, they're listing Cookie on Coinbase? Are they really? Is she moving then? Oh, that's going to be bearish then. If they list it on Coinbase, these coins, Cookie Dow is going to go straight down. Oh, she is already going down. Oh yeah, she's doing what the other coins did. The strong move down, the bear flag, and now it's broken. It's breaking to the downside here. Yeah, cookie down doesn't look good. Let me move that. Low to the high. Yeah, you just broke the 382. You broke the previous high from back here. So this thing's probably dropping 25% soon. I don't know. Big on listing is going to pump. I mean, the chart doesn't look bullish at all. Got B3 around 0.005. Yeah, I think B3 came back to live. How much money did you put it on res, bro? Yeah, it was about that much. And now half's gone, so. What can you do? Yeah, I can't believe B3 pumped from down here. What were we looking at? I don't remember what we said last time, but that apparently was the bottom. Come on. What you got in at 0.005? She looks like she's getting stuck at the 382. I think we pointed that out last time. You're down 75%. I mean, that's where you want to look. Down almost 80% on a coin. Someone once said 86% is the sweet spot. I don't know where they got that from. You're above the 236, so bottom is in over 6.4, bullish over 8. But yeah, if it can get over 8 and then a penny, then new high on this one would be up to about 3 pennies for 4x. So not a bad initial move on B3. We got 90 people here. We got 60 people over on X watching. I appreciate all you guys over on X. Except Jew, Veracity. Life hit you hard one day. Peak was close, 75, and now it's at 1. What's up, T13? I hope it's a shakeout before the rally. That's what I'm saying. As soon as I sell my coins, they're going to go up. Veracity. I covered Veracity the other day. No one cared to watch the video, so let's see what she's doing now. Oh, she made a new low again. Yeah, there's nothing bullish on Veracity here. Lower lows, lower highs, macro chopping sideways and going down. This thing's been going down since November of 2021. So if it's the bottom, which we drew this line before, could be the bottom, but you can clearly see it didn't hold. So for any kind of a bottom, you got to get back over 0.003 and then bullish over 0.006, and then short term, it just doesn't look good. Short term, we'll just go from the simple high to the low and see if you can catch any form of bullishness on it. Short term, 0.019 and or pretty much 2 and then 2.5 are the prices you got to get over. But other than that, there's no bottom yet. It just keeps making new lows. XPR, no, we didn't look at XPR yet. Near. Near protocol. Eesh. There's just no bottom on crypto right now. This looks like all those other coins. It looks bad. I hate to keep saying that, but we're just bearish right now. It looks like we already topped out and we're in a bear market. Can you imagine if we don't have alt season and ETH never goes up and we're sitting here trying to be bullish and it's just a bear market for the next 4 years and we're looking for a move up? Yeah, she's hitting low to the high right on the 618, so this is your bounce point. If you don't bounce here, then the year's bearish already, but if it doesn't bounce here, you run the risk of dropping 30%, because that's what you want to see: low to the high, 618, hold and bounce. So 228, and you got to get back over 3 to 315. Peak. Oh yeah, XPR. You said XPR broke down. I'm glad I didn't long XPR like I wanted to. I couldn't anyway, but oh man. Let's see here. Yeah. Let's pack it up. We're not going up. Everything's dropping. Even the fact that Jasmine broke down is just... But yeah, I mean, the fact that you're below the 382, 236, and the pattern's breaking below 40, 20% drop is coming on this one. Back down to the macro 382 at 3. Nothing else you can do about it. Unless we get some form of a weekly, or whatever candle this is, we get some form of a wick like we did back here. But we're not really dropping that hard yet. Yeah, XPR is bearish. Peak. And peak going to 0. Peak. Oh man, peak is going to 0. I mean, something like peak's almost back to where it spawned in at. It's like, where is the bottom? I mean, you can technically go lower from here. I mean, there's not even a wick on that candle. So if it's going to come all the way back down to 9. Another 7% drop is all she can handle, and then it's off to the shadow realm for this coin. It's actually going to go to 0. So if it doesn't hold the initial price, it's just probably not even that, probably just straight down like it's doing now. But there's nothing to say on peak until you get back over the macro 236, depending on where the bottom is. There's no bottom right now. There's nothing to say on it. I forgot about Vara. How's Vara holding up? Not well. Damn, look at that. Yeah, there's nothing out there right now that says we're in any sort of a bull market. We're just down. Okay. All right, we're coming up on an hour. We're probably going to end it at an hour. Rio looks good. You say that, but I think you mess with me all the time. Rio. What'd I tell you? Real looks horrible. Damn, I forgot about RLC. Where's the better RLC chart? Are they even active anymore? I don't know if you guys remember RLC. Oh, this thing came out and never did anything. She's still curling up a little bit here, starting to break down, but yeah. Damn, Ren is going to 0. Yeah. Yeah, she's actually going down. I heard this one's getting delisted from a lot of exchanges, but it's actually going down. It's about to break a penny. It's a Bigfoot. Yeah, stuck home until 2029. Man, I can't wait that long. What's up, Derek? Can we look at Moonbeam? Ren only has a 10 million market cap. Yeah, I don't know why they're getting delisted from stuff, but they're going down. Looks like a dead coin. And that sucks because I was looking at it while I was looking at buying it on Res. I was like, man, maybe I should short Ren because people were saying it's getting delisted everywhere. It's probably going to just start dropping hard. And I bought the wrong coin. Damn. I just can't hit the sell button. Half my money's gone. Half my money's in the shadow. It's going to stay in the shadow realm. Let's see. Oh, never mind. I can't even short her in. Oh well. It was a good thought. Yeah, it sucks when you short the bottom. Moonbeam. Isn't that Beam? Moonbeam. Have we never looked at Moonbeam? GLMR. I guess we have it. Moonbeam. How have we never looked at Moonbeam? Just doing the same thing. This is what that coin we just looked at for T13 a minute ago. Peak. It's about to break where it spawned in. That's it. Another coin going to 0. There's nothing to say on it. There's no bottom. Let's see if we can find one in the smaller time frames. Yeah, there's no bottom on this coin. It's just dead. Unless you're going to hope and wish that this is the bottom. Which there's nothing to say that or confirm anything. But if you want to try to catch it, macro wise, you got to get back over 30. Man, can you imagine buying a coin like Moonbeam or some of these coins and it's just going to 0 actually? Short term for any kind of hope, if that's the bottom, it has to get back over 12. That's all we can say. Half my investment's gone already. XPR, yeah, XPR is breaking down. XPR is no longer bullish. I think that's what you said. XPR or XRP? XPR, yeah. We're looking at XPR to be bullish, and of course the market doesn't want it to be. And I'm tired of talking like this and being bearish. I'm ready for us to make some money. But yeah, the fact that you're losing the XPR 382, 236, and you're breaking down below this pattern, which we really, I mean, you could push the narrative if you want and say this can turn into a wick, but the fact that you're below the 382 at 4 is not good. It looks bearish now. So as long as you're below 4, look to drop 21, 22% on XPR. Illuvium. ILV. Isn't that Illuvium? Another coin going to zero. Nothing else to say on it. Wow. Let me see. All right, it is ILV. I was making sure. ILV. Let's see if we can find a better chart. I guess that's not any better. But it looks like everything else, it's dying at the moment. So until the market stabilizes, there's really no point in looking at any coins right now. Everything's going to be wrong because everything's just going down. We can look at the final support levels and stuff, but nothing bullish on ILV. I don't know if this thing's ever going to go back up. The fact that we have so many coins, there's no telling, but macro 43 is your price, and then short term, if you want any kind of hopium, about 20. You got to get back over 20. And that could confirm a short-term bottom. Man. Nasty. By the way, nasty isn't a coin yet. What is it? What are you talking about? P&G went below 12 cents today. I believe it. What is today? Monday? Yeah, this is gonna be a bearish week. Can you imagine how far down we're gonna go on some of these coins? I mean, especially seeing Jasmine go down like that is just, I think we're cooked. AGLD 100 is crossing the 50. Oh my. QT is killing you, man. We're all getting killed right now. That should be the poll. Should I sell my res? Cut my loss? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Yeah, not bad. We got 44 people on YouTube here and 60 on X. I appreciate the views. It'd be nice if everyone hit the like button. That'll help out a little bit. I mean, we're so bearish right now. There's no super chats. There's no views. My money's going to the shadow realm. Sell everything, clearly bearish. What's up, Flip Coins? He said 3-year prostate exam. Oh, man. Are you still holding your deck screener coins? I'm not going to go to deck screener because we're about to end this, but man, I imagine those coins are dying. Used car and Billy. That's what I'm hoping and thinking, Jim. Hopefully the bottom is in soon, especially now that we're crashing hard. We may be bullish tomorrow. As soon as we all sell our positions, buy into the fear, then we're bullish. which clearly a lot of people are doing that same thing right now. But yeah, look at our stream. Everyone hit the like button for me. Let me go in the poll. We got flip coins for the $5 super sticker. I appreciate that, my man. Flip coins for the save. I appreciate that a lot, my man. Like I said, there's nothing coming in right now, so I appreciate that. Channel's dying. I'm gonna have to go apply at McDonald's or somewhere. You're holding. I should be like that too. So far, I'm holding. I'm holding, and I'm praying that for once I make the right decision and I get some kind of a bounce, something. I can't be wrong all the damn time. But yeah, I'll let you guys know what I do, but if we bounce tomorrow, you guys know I sold. All right, let me end the poll. Yeah, we're bearish. Everyone says 70K. $70K is coming up. How much you losing on res? Well, I put 900 on it. It went up to over 1,000, and now half of 1,000's gone. I just need it to bounce, just a tiny bounce, just to get my money back. So that's why I'm holding. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in here. I appreciate everyone over on X that tunes in and listens. We always do good. We covered quite a bit in an hour. When we turn bullish again, we'll stream longer. But right now, it's not worth it. Cookie's going to pop off tomorrow. Yeah, I'll keep my eye on it. Coinbase listing. The beginning of the super chat. Oh, we got way up north for 2, sir. It ain't. What'd you say, sir? It ain't more? I don't know what you mean by that, but I appreciate the 2. So, it sounds like meme coins will be going away. Yeah, I think meme coins screwed up the whole market. But I appreciate the 2. Helps out more than you know, my man. But yeah, appreciate you guys coming in here. As always, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. And I'll see you guys in the next one. What's up, Silver? How you doing, my man? Welcome to the end of the live stream. Yeah, I'm going to look into Cookie, but he says XRP Army. But with that being said, peace out, everyone. Good luck.